So a number of people have expressed problems with the reverse on some of their Janomes and Kenmores made by Janome, in that when you push the reverse lever down, it won't go into reverse. So this is going to show you what the problem is most likely in this scenario. I've already removed the base on this machine here, but this is the troublesome mechanism right there. That part right there. You can see that when it's working properly, I push the reverse lever down, that moves, and it moves this into the reverse position, which changes the rotation of the feed dogs. What happens is it gets stuck with grease and oil right in this joint here. And it's not a hard fix at all, but you just need to be a little bit careful. First order of business, these are the tools that I use. Need some tri-flow, oil, small screwdriver, and some needle nose pliers. So you take this snap ring off. Just make sure it doesn't fly away, because they like to do that. And then this spring right here, you can take that, lift it up slightly off of the groove. Make sure that the spring doesn't fly anywhere, and it just comes off like that, along with the washer that holds it. And then this whole thing slides off, and it unhooks from here off of this rod that is tied up here. You need to be careful on some of these machines because there's electronics and motors here, and it can be really hard to hook that back up again on that end. So try to leave that where it is. So then you take your tri-flow and you clean this shaft here, and you clean in this hole here. What you're looking for is to make sure that this rides smoothly back and forth, because that's the issue, is it won't slide. So when you get that all done, then you hook this back on like so. You slide that back over top of that shaft, and you make sure this tab fits into this groove here on this machine. And it's just a matter of lifting it up and lining the two of them up like that. Then you put the spring back on. You take it and hold it like so, like this here. And then this hooks over top of that. This goes on top of there. And then that little part on the end of the spring, it's hard to do when you're holding a camera. Fits like so. And then you take this part of the spring and put it up into the groove. Make sure the spring doesn't fly off. And that's what you should end up with. Then the washer fits over top. And then your snap ring, set it into the groove on that little shaft, like so. And then use your needle nose pliers to snap it home. And then your reverse mechanism should work. And then you can button the machine back up, and you should be away to the races. Hope this helps, folks.